So there are hundreds, if not thousands, of body washes and shower gels on the market today. And while some of them may smell great, a lot of them aren't good for your skin or your health in general. So today, in this video, I'm going to give you a really cool alternative that we happen to use for the whole family. Stick around. Hey friends, welcome to Groom Reviews for Her. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and be sure to hit the notification bell so you get alerted when I release new videos. So today we're talking about what I consider to be the very best body wash, and that is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap in liquid form. So in our family, we're super intentional about the stuff we put on our bodies, especially when it comes to body wash, because it goes right on your skin, it gets absorbed into your skin and into your body, and it can affect your health. For your body wash or your shampoo or for lotions or for anything that you put in or around your body, just take a look at the ingredient list. Do you see anything like sodium lauryl sulfate or parabens or fragrance? There's a list of maybe 30 to 50 ingredients that are found in a lot of these products that, again, are known to be harmful to our health. Somehow they get by and they land in the products that we put on our bodies and on our children's bodies. You really, as the consumer, have to be responsible to, know what's in the products that you're using and, take responsibility for your health. And that's why I'm really excited to talk to you about Dr. Bronners today. And the reason this is our favorite body wash for both my husband and I and our kids is because the ingredient list is pristine. And overall, it's just a really great soap. So there are 8 different, I'll call them scents, to choose from in Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile liquid soap line. We choose the Baby Unscented version just because it's the most gentle and there's more olive oil in this formulation, and so that's really great for your skin. Especially, we live in New England, our winters are very cold and dry, and my boys in particular get really dry, cracked skin, a little bit of eczema, and so this is just really gentle on their skin and it gets them clean. So it really just does the job, and I love just having the peace of mind that I'm not putting any harmful chemicals on their body when they're taking their bath or their shower. So the 8 different scents to choose from in Dr. Bronner's Castile soap line include peppermint, lavender, almond, citrus, tea tree, rose, eucalyptus, and like I said, baby unscented. Check out these ingredients in the 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented pure Castile soap. The very first ingredient is water, and then you have organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, citric acid, and tocopherol. There are absolutely no synthetic preservatives, detergents, or foaming agents in Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. And not only is this soap safe and effective, it's also good on your budget. So this 32-ounce bottle costs $18.49, and we get it from Amazon, and it lasts us about 4 to 5 weeks, if not longer. It's 3 times more concentrated than your average shower gel or a body wash, so you only need a couple of small drops to wash your whole body, and I even do the kids' hair with it, and it still lasts us that long. Just overall, just safe ingredients, effective in actually washing your hair and your skin. Just a really great product that we've been really happy with. I want to show you how this stuff lathers. You do get a little bit of suds with it. Sometimes a concern when people are thinking about all natural soaps, they worry that they're not going to get the soapy, sudsy feeling when they're in the shower or the bath. It does lather. You do get a little bit of suds, but it rinses off very easily, and I think that's because of the oil base. In the past, when I've used other shower gels or body washes on the kids, I feel like I have to rinse and rinse and rinse before they get rid of that slimy feeling on their skin, like there's still soap on their skin. This, it's like 1 or 2 rinses and they're no longer slippery and slimy and full of soap. So it's just it makes bath time actually a lot more easier because of that. Another cool thing about this Dr. Bronner soap, and this goes for all of the different scents, is that you can also use it for cleaning around your house, your floors, your laundry, your dishes, and how cool is that? So you get this big bottle of concentrated soap, and you can even go and divide it. Use some in the shower and use some in the kitchen, or put some in your laundry room. This is a really popular ingredient for DIY projects. So people make their own laundry detergent or their own dish soap, or even their own shower gel, where they mix this with things like essential oils just to give it maybe a different smell or to add some of the health benefits of essential oils. Just all around, it's such a versatile product that's great to have in your house. Even if you already have a shower gel that you like, this is great for so many other purposes. And on top of all that, Dr. Bronner's soaps, all of the scents are fully biodegradable, they're all natural, they're vegan, and the containers are made of 100% post-consumer recycled materials. I really think you guys should give Dr. Bronners a try if you haven't already. They also sell in a little travel size, which we bring along with us when we're traveling, and there's actually a bar soap. This is the first time I've bought the bar soap. I'll give it a try at some point, but honestly, just having the bottle of the liquid soap in the shower for all of us to use is just so convenient. We love the 32-ounce bottle. Effective, safe. That's what we look for when it comes to personal care products for us, for myself, for my husband, and the entire family. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I really appreciate you visiting the channel, and I'll catch you next time.